Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to start affiliate marketing on a low budget. And it's with a proven step-by-step system. And more importantly, I want to show you not just how to start, but I want to show you how to get into profit. And even more importantly, not just get into profit, but stay in profit. That's the key thing with affiliate marketing, is not getting into a lot of debt, but getting into profit and being able to stay in profit long term. So I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account all time. So first of all, to show you some proof that what I'm going to share with you today works. It's proven to work. And I also want to show you not just that it's proven to work, I want to show you why it works so you can sort of fully understand the simple steps and the systems that we've created for you as well. So I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account all time since I joined Warrior Plus. And on the right hand side here in the commission column, you'll see that I've earned $17,200.62. Product sales in the next column across here are now $33,633.46. And then over here on the left hand side in the products, this is how many products I've sold. I've sold 3,590 products. And I'm going to show you a bit later on how you can promote one link and you can make multiple sales and earn multiple commissions. And before we go into a bit more detail, I'm going to show you profit. So as an example, I'm going to go into last year. Click on search. Okay, I've done it automatically. I'll get my little pencil out here just to go through a couple of things. Now, the key thing, what we're looking for here, is profit. 95% of people fail online because they don't get into profit. So if you look, let's get this on the cursor here. If you look down here in the commission column again, last year, so you'll see this is from the 1st of January 2024 to 31st of December 2024. This is all my last year's earnings with this system. And the commission that I earned was $5,780.93. Now, what happens here is that I'm a member of, I've got memberships. So let's put over here, memberships. Now my membership costs, every month, my membership costs roughly about $35 a month. That's what I pay in membership costs. Now I also buy two additional traffic products, every month, and they're by Doward, and they cost me combined $20. So my total costs is $55. Now if we times that by 12, because what I do is I use free traffic, if we times that by 12, then what that equals, where's my equal sign on here? That equals $660 per year. That's my outgoings. That's what it costs me. Now you'll see the commission that I've earned for the year is $5,780. So my profit over here is $5,000 plus. That's my profit. So That's because I use free traffic. And I can also teach you how to use free traffic as well. So the key thing here is profit, not just getting into profit, but staying into profit. And then what you can do with this $5,000 here, you can either use that as lifestyle money. You can either reinvest a percentage and build a larger audience. You can either save the money. But the key thing is it's profit. And that is the most important thing with affiliate marketing. Join the 5% who succeed by getting into profit and staying there. So we'll delete that there. I'm going to come back to this page a bit later on. Now, over here, these products, actually you can get started here for $5. Let's put $5 there. So all the joining links are going to be in the description. You can get started today for $5. That's how I got started. And the reason this works so well, I'm going to give you several reasons. One of the reasons is that these traffic offers are in an evergreen niche. And if you're new to affiliate marketing, what that means is that they will always be in demand because everybody needs traffic. The first thing someone does when they come online is they look for something to promote. So they might join a business opportunity, they might join an affiliate program, they might want to promote a PDF or some software. But what they need after that, the second thing they do is they go in search of traffic. And without traffic, you can't succeed. You're not going to make any money. And the beauty of these traffic sources is that they're buyers' traffic sources. And this is the most sought after traffic because research shows that buyers buy over and over and over again. But even better than that, they're autopilot buyers' traffic sources. And if you're like me and you've got a full-time job and you're busy with your family and your friends and your hobbies, you're looking to automate your systems as much as you can. And that's what they do. They will promote your offer 24 hours, 7 days a week, and even when you're asleep. Now, it gets even better than that because you can earn higher ticket affiliate commissions up to $850. Now, the beauty of that is that with Warrior Plus, this is one of their strongest features. You don't have to buy the high ticket products. You don't have to pay this $850 to be able to earn that high ticket commission. I'll just show you a bit later on how that works. So we're giving you everything here to succeed. We're giving you the traffic, which will generate the leads and the profitable passive income, and that equals success. This is a complete done-for-you system where everything works together to help you become successful. On top of that, I'm going to give you the free tools and done-for-you system to earn an additional profitable passive income stream on top of the Warrior Plus. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. Not going to make any income claims, product claims or guarantees in this video. It is going to be for educational purposes only. So let's go back here into the all time. Let's go back here. Let's refresh the page. And what you'll see here, I want you to look down the right hand side at this circular arrow here. That says 10 months in a row. Recurring payment 23 months in a row. So as I pay my monthly membership subscription, your referrals will also pay theirs. Now you'll see a high retention here because all these circular arrows down here are all monthly recurring payments that come in on autopilot. So the best products that you can promote 2 years in a row, nearly 2 years in a row. New ones coming in here. These are new ones where there's no gaps. These are all new ones coming in. 32.5 years in a row. For membership subscriptions, are the best offers you can promote, because as long as these members are happy, and you can see they are 21 months in a row, 23 months in a row, 24 months in a row, as long as these members are happy, they will, like I do, they will continue to pay. So you've got a high retention of members. Now, why are they happy? Because first of all, they're getting autopilot buyers traffic, but a lot of them are also becoming affiliates, and they're getting into profit, like I'm teaching you here today. They're getting into profit as an affiliate, and then they don't quit. Nobody quits a program that they're making money with. Now, the other reason is the high ticket component. So I'm going to use, I'll just show you here, this product here on the left. It's called the all new click generator here. So you'll see here, they're quite new. So these are new members coming in. People are still buying these products. They're still buying this traffic. So the all new click generator, I'm going to use as an example. And within that system, within the all new click generator system, there's over 20 products. Now your referrals go into the system, and if they buy any of these products here in this left-hand column here, if they buy any of these, you will earn these commissions in the right-hand column. But even if you don't buy any of these, so let's say you join for $5 a month, and one of your referrals buys this product here, 10,000 top tier clicks, you will earn a commission of $850 one-time payment. So there's lots of high ticket commissions to be earned. There's one here for $600. There's one here for $98. There's one here for $200. Now, if you want to buy some of this traffic, or you want to buy some of these systems, then you can do so. You're going to get the best traffic, because John and Frank have been selling traffic for 20 years, the owners of the click generator, the traffic experts, and you're going to get it at a wholesale price. But even if you don't, you will still earn the high ticket commissions. That's another reason why the affiliates are getting to profit faster. There's also lots of recurring products built into the system as well. So like the circular arrow that I showed you earlier on, these are recurring products. And this is all done for you. You don't have to create anything. You just get your affiliate link here, top left-hand corner. Your affiliate link is, you're just going to promote your affiliate link, and that the system itself do all the telling and explaining, and do all the work, all the heavy lifting for you. So a couple of reasons there. Now let me show you, let me go over here and show you the systems that I've created. These are complete systems for these Warrior Plus products. And the reason we set these systems up is because you can earn an additional income stream by setting these systems up. So I do all the telling, all the explaining and the proof in the videos here, and you can clone these for free. So what happens is, you will join Leads Leap here. You click there to join Leads Leap. So the link in the description will take you to that page. Now, Leads Leap is a free lifetime membership. Now, I am going through different components of this system, so if you are new to this industry and you're getting a little bit lost, or it's a bit overwhelming, just take your time, watch the video a few times, because once these systems are all set up and they're really beginner friendly, you're just going to promote one link and the system itself is going to do all the work. And to get a free lifetime membership, you're going to get all these tools and all this traffic for free. You don't ever have to pay anything if you don't want to do. And then what happens is, you come into Leads Leap as a member, and all you do is, I've done the video tutorials down here for you. Watch those videos, and all you're going to do, it's really simple. All you're going to do is just copy and paste these codes. They're called share codes in Leads Leap. You copy and paste these into Leads Leap, and you will have a complete system cloned, replicated like I've got here. And all you do is put your affiliate links into there, and you're going to earn the commissions. I show you in the tutorials how to do that. It's just click, copy and paste. It's really simple. So you're going to get your own system. Take a bit of time, set your system up. Now, the reason we use Leads Leap is because of this additional income stream. So if I go into my Leads Leap members area here, you'll see my total income for Leads Leap is now $3,241. Now, I've earned those commissions by referring Leads Leap members with free lifetime memberships, and they've upgraded. And this is profitable passive income for you. So if I go into this little table here, I'll show you how even as a free member, in this column here, you don't pay a penny. It's forever free. It's not a trial. And when I scroll down here, it says affiliate commissions. You will earn 25% recurring commission when your direct referrals upgrade to Pro. So you set your systems up, and then you earn profitable passive income. Now this is every single month. This is 25% recurring. So you're still not paying anything. You can be forever free if you wish to do so. And all this down here will be profit every single month. And then if you want to do what I did, which was get some profits coming in and then reinvest and upgrade to Pro. And then that way you earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. But you can be forever free if you wish to do so. So that's how that works. I do all the tutorials for you. I've set the systems up for you. Take your time, set your systems up, because once these systems are all set up, that's it. They're all finished and ready to go, and you just use them over and over and over and over again. I've been using this one here for 3 years, and I've turned a $5 product into nearly $4,000. So they do work, and they work long term as well. Now, the whole system itself, as how to get your buyer traffic for free, is a video here. And that's how the whole system sort of put together. So there'll be a link pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now that will take you to this page, and I'll show you how to get your buyer traffic for free and start to generate the results that I'm sharing with you today. Very, very simple, very beginner friendly. Start for $5, and I'll also help you in any way that I can. And what I also do is, I think it's over here. It's this one here. I also put you some free traffic sources on here, so you can start promoting these systems straight away. So you join these here, and you can even earn commissions as a free member if any of your referrals upgrade. I teach you how to put your affiliate links into there. They're all free to join, and if anybody upgrades, you learn it. So from this page alone here, you can earn 7 income streams, and it's all just a nice little complete system for you, a complete click engine success system. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, please click subscribe and the bell icon. You'll get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. I'm currently doing several new uploads every week, and if you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. And if you'd like to send me an email, I always put my email address in the description, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.